Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Farah binti Asmadi. Today I will present about my project, which is counselor authorization student record using face expression authentication. Okay, the first one is we need to go to my tools, which is my okay, this is my application. Run with a face detection farah. So for the first user, they need to register first to use this application. So then create an account. So they need to create a password because the password is the main password. If they have 3, 4, 5 users want to create this account, so they need the password, which is the main password for this application. So then insert the password, then press check. So to capture the emotion face, either you use a webcam or select a photo from the desktop, from the user desktop. So I choose the use a webcam and then read. So for the name, for the username, I will use farah 1. Okay, then press OK. Then it will the webcam will pop up. Okay, so this is my face. Okay, I will smile and then press tab to save the photo. Okay, the photo has been saved. In this file, which is the user's file. Okay, this is the photo that have been captured in the project. And then I will create another emotion expression to make a difference. Okay, so password is p-license. Okay, so check. Also use a webcam and then put a different name so they can recognize you. So for the second one, I will make a natural face, or I will make a sad face. Okay. Okay, so the photo has been saved, which is I make a two emotion, which is the farah one is I smile, and the second one is I sad face. So to log in this application, use the same way, use the same codes, and then click login to log in the project, to log in the tools. Just wait and okay, so just smile to log in. Okay, so the tools have been the application already, the user can access the application because the face can recognize. So this is my interface of application. Okay, so in my application, this is a student physical record, which is the counselor can store the student record here. Okay, this is show data. So student can show counselor can show the student data that already have a appointment, which is this is my example. My example for show data. Okay, this is add data. So I will add data. I will add sample of data. Okay, name I will create Nur Hidayah. ID number. So I'll create a dummy one. I see. Dummy, and then contact number of the student. Okay, then put the semester 3, PIMD, reason. So reason want to see the counselor and want a counseling, which is I will put stress repeat sem. Okay, so this is signature, and then today date is put the date, which is I will put 10 May 2022. Okay, then submit. Okay, so the data will submit, and we can see it show data. Okay, here. Oh, I picked the wrong one. Okay, so the data that have been added, we can see in show data. Okay, so if we want to edit, okay, update. Okay, just insert the ID, which is the student ID. I will insert my ID. Okay, so search by ID. It means the student already registered in the system, and the student have been meet the counselor. So I will change my. Okay, I will change this. My IC. Okay, then update. Okay, so show the data again to see here. Okay, so my IC already changed. Okay, so this is my tool, which is this is my application work, and that's all. My application can use for counselor, and then after the counselor settle the student records, and then they can log out. So just log out and then settle. Okay, that's it from my from me, which is my application, my tools working. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum.